and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of crochet top ideas. It's totally summer collection and it's bralette crochet top. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful, especially for handmade craft lovers and crochet lovers. I hope you all love these beautiful ideas. So my lovely viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive design of handmade crochet top ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. So you know very well different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet bralette top ideas. It's summer collection. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful design for yourself. So viewer, thank you for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So my lovely viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet top and summer collection crochet summer top bralette articles. So these are the benefits including comfort, soft, breathable and flexible, making it perfect for women in warm weather or everyday wear. Customization: choose your favorite color, yarns and patterns to create a unique and personalized top. Sportive can be designed with built-in sport and compressions, providing comfort and relief for the bust. Relaxing and meditative, crocheting can be a calming and therapeutic activity. Cost effective, making your own bralette top can save you money compared to buying one. Sustainable, reduce your carbon footprint and sports slow fashion. Versatile, can be worn on its own, layered under jackets and cardigans or paired with a skirt or short. Empowering, creating your own crochet can make you feel more comfortable, confident and self-sufficient. Unique and handmade, your crochet bralette top will be one of a kind, reflecting your personal style. Easy to care for, crochet bralette top are often easy to wash and dry, making them a practical choice. Crocheting a bralette top is a great way to create a comfortable, stylish and sustainable garment while enjoying the benefits of handmade crafting. I hope you all are agree and you all are understand with the bralette top benefits. So now I am share with you the main question in all the beginners mind, what is the crochet. So there are some basic information of crochet. So I am share with you. Crochet is a wonderful hobby and it's a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby for those who enjoy making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. Here are some popular crochet projects: blankets and afghans, hats and beanies, scarf and cloths, toys, granny squares, medallions, and market bags and tote bags, mobile covers, cover for phone and tables, decorative items like flowers, like bouquets, leaves, and snowflakes. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can offer basic stitches and techniques, step by step instructions for beginners, tips and tricks for improving your skills, patterns and tutorial for various projects, advice on choosing the right yarn and hook. Just let me know what you need help with, and I will do my best to assist you. I hope you all are understand, viewers. So these are the benefits and these are the question answers of crochets. So I hope you all are understand, and one more time I am telling you, if you all are interested, so watch my all the previous videos. My all the previous videos are very sportive for beginners and crochet lovers. So thank you, viewer, for watching this video, and if you are interested in learning how to crochet, and if you all love this article and want more design and more ideas, so watch my all the previous videos, watch this video, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, viewers, see you soon. Take care, and thank you for watching this video and watch my all the previous videos and supporting me. Be support me like this forever. My all the YouTube community are very supportive, very kind. Thank you so much, viewers. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.